Oh, thank you.
And we're just gonna go walk through here. So let's go.
Which country are we?
Brazil.
We are in Brazil.
And her name is Carmen.
My name is Carmela, the kumami as my son says. Today I brought him, you can keep going, for an adventure.
Yeah.
So we actually just came for a walk.
Yeah, but then she remembered that there was a waterfall that I've never went to.
And now we are trying to find the waterfall.
First we were really lost. Now the coolest thing in the world, her, she found a place.
Oh yes, I found the trail again. Have a look around, guys. This is Santa Cruz do Sul, the further south of Brazil. And we have a bit of the rainforest here. And this is where we are now, yeah?
Yeah. Should we go here?
Yes, that's a great idea. So we...
I hear people there.
So go. Woo! Whoops. So we are not dressed for trailing, but you know, in Brazil, we are all about doing the stuff. We don't care very much if we have the gear or not. Ah! Are you okay? What happened? Let me see. Did you walk too fast? Let me see if you're okay. We have a wound. Wow! A war wound. You were fine. You were all fine. Okay, now pay attention. Just pay attention when we are walking in the woods. We have flip-flops on and I have dress flip-flops as well.
It's this way.
You need to be extra careful.
Otherwise you're gonna
Can you
die.
see the waterfall?
Yes!
Where is it? Where is the water?
Right there.
Oh, we can't see with the camera yet, but we will show you guys. So as I was saying,
We don't
mommies and daddies and kids, so when you go out for... Can you hold for mommy here to climb and talk a bit, please?
Whew.
Thank you, be careful. So look, when you have slippery shoes and you are in places like these in the step back, calm down and use your hands. So always look in places wild as this, if there will be any spiders or any animals or anything, before you put your hand somewhere. So I'm gonna put my hand here because it's safe. And I'm gonna put my hand here.
Because it's safe.
Because it's safe, and then I have strength in my hands and I can use to support myself and don't fall.
Yeah.
Which way are we going? Do you think you will be able to climb there? Do you want to have a peek? Or should we go down here?
No, let's go here because Daddy teaches me how to climb. He taught me how to climb.
That is true. So off you go and do your climbing then. And now I'll follow you.
Let me just be Tarzan for a bit. Ooh.
Ah, Svegna!
There is a cave. Ha.
Wait there because we need to climb down here now. Look, my Lion King! Ah, but this is not the savannah. So,
This is the Braziliana.
Braziliana.
This is the Braziliana.
And look where we are now.
At the cascata.
Cascata. Cascata. If anyone wants to leave in the comments, how do you call this? Because this is not a waterfall. A cascata is water falling through rocks, but not a waterfall. Are we
And
going?
also like and subscribe.
Pardon?
And also like and subscribe.
Oh yes, thank you. Like and subscribe. So now we managed to get to our adventure of the day.
But Mommy,
Ah,
we're still missing something.
what?
We didn't climb
You want to climb all the way up there?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to fix the camera here.